Now Krishna has become of 2.5 years. He has now so many friends, so many friends, very modern. Now he cannot remain in his Jashoda Bhavan, Jashoda's house. He comes out of his house. Now he has some taste of butter and misery and all other things. Sometimes taking his whole party goes to a gopi house. And he tells a friend that you should take this cough free. He was banned in any fair that he should not take whole milk of her mother, his mother. So he was banned. But when a friend of Krishna set free, and he went to her mother's house and began to take milk. And Krishna told the son of same lady whose house was, and she was charging, and telling Govinda when he heard that my cough has been set free and he is taking milk of cow, at once he left that and ran to caught to catch his cow. In the meantime, Krishna with very big body, all chatushan, quite naked, they entered the room and they took all the butters, distributed among them and distributed it among monkeys. All were like monkey. And whether she is coming, one eyes to that mother Gopi and another taking notice. And very soon they took all and they left the home. When she returned, he saw that, oh, where is my bird, where is my butter? He said that everything has been looted. She ran to Jashoda. Your child is so notorious. Please take care of this. Otherwise, in the future life, he will be very backward. Another day, he went to, and Gopi was waiting for Krishna. That when Krishna will come, I will catch the hand of Krishna. And I will take it to Jashoda, because Jashoda never trusts in my words. She tells that, oh, my son is sleeping. My son does not know how to thief or anything. He is very good boy. He never believes on us. So I will catch hold of that boy and I will take personally rented-handed to his mother. So he was quite ready. There was no lamp, and she was hiding herself in the corner of that room. Krishna came with her party and told that you should be outside. I am coming, taking the pot of butter. He entered the room. The beauty of Krishna was so enlightened, so much that it became like light. And easily he searched where it was kept. And he took it. In the meantime, when he was taking some in mouth and some with pot, he was going out. She caught red-headed. Oh boy, what are you doing? Nothing, mother, nothing, mother. Why entered this room? I think that you are my mother and this house is mine. So I entered. I have never come to take anything. So why you entered? Oh, this is my room. And he smiled in such a way that Krishna took his hand and he actually and she was looking. He could not tell anything. Next day or anywhere else, Krishna entered in a gopi room. And she was eager to catch hold. she caught Krishna red-handed. Oh, you have come to steal my makhan? I will take you to your mother. And he covered with cloth, and it was some Brahma Muhurta darkness, and he was taking and chastising Krishna. Krishna was telling that, mother, I will never come, but you should not take me to my mother. He will chastise me. But she was strong-minded that she should take her to her mother. When he entered the Yashoda Bhavan, and he called Yashoda Devi. Oh sister, come on and see your boy. I have caught round-headed. She came, Yashoda. When he took the cover of mouth of Krishna, he saw that the son of that very lady Gopi was not Krishna. Yashoda told, oh, he is not my son, your son is. Why you brought up your son? I know that my son is so pure and he is not a thief. In the meantime, Krishna weeping from the court of Yashoda, Palanka of Yashoda. He came back, mother, see, they are always doing like this. They only want me to go there, and that is why sometimes I go, but I never stole anything, steal anything. One day, he went in another Gopi's house. She catch hold of Krishna. They have done so much austerities, aradhana for lakhs and lakhs, but to see all these things, to enjoy, to love Krishna so affectionately. So Krishna is going, but anyone like Duryodhan or anyone, he will give all things preparations for it, he will never look of it. But to his bhakts, forcibly, like Siddhartha, Mahaprabhu. He is quarreling with Mahaprabhu. I am a very poor man, why you are always quarreling with me to take my this sharp banana flower? I know these things. I cannot give. I will have to serve Ganges. Oh, Ganges is my wife. I don't tell. It is a very big offense. Or you don't know he is my wife. She is my wife. Very dear wife. Like this. So Krishna entered in Gopi house. She was ready from first. She asked Krishna, why you came here and why you are stealing this makhan and this butter? I am not stealing anything, but I was searching my cough. From evening I don't know where he has gone. So I was searching and I saw that perhaps he may jump in your pot. Where your coffee is here? Yes, I can see. So I have come to search him. And Krishna gave his hand on the fire and he brought up a very little cow that Nanda Baba has given to play marble. Oh, this is my cow. I was only searching. She told that, yes, I admit it. But why butter is here, yo? Why here? You can search by hand, by mouth you are searching. Yes. That is the thing that when I have taken some butter, I put my hand in that pot. So much butter was in my hand here. And some monkeys were following me and they jumped over me and they took butter and also did it. She began to laugh and in the meantime when she was laughing he ran with his party and went to just. So always doing like this. One Gopi told that if you come tomorrow I will see you. I will punish you. Krishna told that if you are not keeping butter for me, then I will come and I will do like this to your son. He hid himself, everything. She took all the butter pots and she hid it. Krishna came and saw that there is no butter and everything, anything here. So he became angry. And he went to his son who was sleeping on the way and he pinched. And he began very loudly. And Krishna ran away from that. So doing all these things. Why doing? Why doing? For previous births. Gopis have no birth. They are not, any one of them are, they have not come from that. They are not Vardhamukta. They are not Sadhan Siddha. Eternal association. They like Krishna. That is why they wish like this. They are thinking, why they are doing complaint to Jashoda? Why? They are thinking that Jashoda is unfortunate. Why unfortunate? We are seeing and testing all the pastimes, six pastimes of Krishna, but Jashoda is deprived of all. Krishna does not do anything these pastimes in the house of Jashoda. So she is not fortunate. So we should tell anything, these all nectars to Jashoda. So they are telling all these things. That how beautiful, how sweet is your son. So in this way they are telling all to Jashoda like a complaint. But it was not complaint, it was what thing? But Jashoda thought, why is going? Perhaps being what? Notorious. I should take care. Otherwise he may become notorious. So thus Jashoda is here testing bhakti ras, vasalya ras. You should know all these things in friendly ras, sakya ras, vasalya ras, or madhu ras. So thus Jashoda is testing. She was observed and Krishna was also taken so much meaning. And after what became, we will try to explain tomorrow. Only Krishna is so happy. So I will complete this thing tomorrow in very little. And if it is remain, then I will take it to San Francisco. And others also. In this, everything, all tattva, Jiva tattva, Maya tattva, Krishna tattva, Bhakti tattva, everything will what? Go, Nanda Nandan ki Jai, Yashoda Nandan ki Jai, Gopi Jara Vallabh ki Jai, Radha Vallabh ki Jai, Radha Ramani ji ki Jai, Go, Premanand. Bhakti Vrinda ki Jai.